In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Suno AI Premium. Can you get Suno AI for free? 2026 full guide, 5 minutes. Let's start with the big question. Yes, you can use Suno AI without paying. If you're just getting started, head to Suno's website and sign in or create an account. You won't need a credit card to explore the free experience, which is perfect for testing the platform and getting a feel for how song generation works. Once you're in, make sure you're on the basic plan. That's the free tier. It's the default for new users, and it gives you daily credits to generate music. Think of credits as your fuel. On basic, you receive 50 credits every day, which typically translates to about 10 songs per day, depending on how you use the generator. Keep an eye on your credit counter inside your account so you're not surprised mid session. Those credits reset automatically every 24 hours at 00 SWA UTC. If you're not sure what that means in your local time zone, a quick check of 00 SWA UTC to local time will help you plan your creative sessions. A practical tip here: if you're close to the reset, consider waiting a few minutes to start a bigger batch so you can take advantage of a fresh credit allotment. Now, there are important rules on the free plan. Songs you create on Basic are for non commercial use only, and Suno retains ownership of the content. In plain terms, enjoy them for personal projects, sharing with friends, or social posts that aren't monetized, but don't use them for commercial releases, ads, or anything that requires you to own or license the music. Always review the latest terms so you stay compliant. Another thing to know: with the free tier, your songs may be effectively trapped on the platform for streaming only. Depending on the latest 2026 updates, download options can be restricted or unavailable. If you need guaranteed file access, broader rights, or fewer limitations, this is where Premium comes in. To unlock premium features, you'll need to subscribe directly through Suno. Inside your account, look for the upgrade option. Clicking upgrade will show you the available paid tiers, typically labeled Pro and Premier. Choose the plan that aligns with your needs, confirm the subscription, and you're set. After upgrading, your account will reflect your new benefits and you can continue creating with expanded capabilities. That's the full walkthrough. Try Suno for free on Basic, understand the credit system and restrictions, and upgrade via the upgrade button when you're ready for premium features. Happy creating!